everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are tackling a super useful task for anyone working with the Jupyter Notebook, especially in the Google Colab. Have you ever created a fantastic analysis or presentation in the extension of .ipynb, basically a Python file, and wished you could easily share it with someone who don't use Python or Jupyter? Or maybe you just need a simple universal web friendly format. In this video I'll show you exactly how to convert your Python or Jupyter Notebook file into beautiful shareable HTML files directly within Google Colab. With just a few lines of Python code, it's quick, easy and incredibly handy. Alright, here is the Google Colab. I have got a fresh notebook open here. The entire process will happen in a single code cell. You can simply just copy and paste it. I will mention the entire code in the description. You can simply copy and paste this code and quickly convert your Python file into the HTML with a perfect alignment. Let me show you the entire process. I am going to just refresh the page, okay, and it will take a couple of seconds. Alright, just I'm going to run this cell. I just clicked it and you can see the tab choose file here. Just select the file. Here I have the .ipynb extension file, so I'm going to select this file and simply now the process, it's already started. You can see it's showing the progress bar as well. As soon as it's complete 100%, it will automatically convert into the HTML. You don't need to do anything, and you can see I have just one clicked and the entire process will happen automatically, and the converted file already gone to the downloaded folder. Now let me show you. Here is the file and let me open it. See, that's the HTML version. So this is the project I made. So this, if you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your coding friends, and subscribe for more useful Python and Google Colab tips.